Hi guys! In today's video, I am showing you how to add fade in and out effect on CapCut. The process is straightforward and effortless. The first thing is, import your video in the CapCut and drag it to the editing section. The next thing is, tap on your video and take a look on the right side. Here are a few options from these options. Tap on this basic, and now scroll down. And here is the option blend, tap on it to enable this feature. And here you can see the option opacity. And here is the option add keyframes, tap on it to add your first keyframe. Now in the editing section, take this line to the right side a bit. And now again, tap on this option, add keyframe. Now take this line to the first keyframe and tap this option. And now take the opacity on 0. Now let's play the video to have a preview to our keyframe. Now the fade in effect has been added. Now let's try fade out effect. Now let's go at the end of the video. Again, tap on this option, add keyframe. Now take this line a bit to the left side. Again, tap on this option, add keyframe. And here, take this line to the second keyframe and take the opacity to 0. Now let's have a preview on fade out effect. As you can see, it was the primary way by which you can add fade in and out effect on CapCut.